Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use this insecticide step by step. If you like this video, please visit our website for more information, or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Suspend SC is a powerful suspended concentrate designed to control a variety of pests in and around households and other structures, turf, and landscape ornamental plants. This 4.5 deltamethrin insecticide has no odor, leaves no visible residue, and has a flexible label, allowing application to mattress and box spring tufts for bedbug control, infested spots in carpets, and in food service areas, making it a great product to use in residential homes or where people often frequent. To use Suspend SC, you'll need to mix the product with water before application. For most outdoor applications and for indoor use, we recommend you apply the solution with a handheld pump sprayer. For large-scale treatments, you may also use a hose end sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig. To calculate the amount of product you need to use, calculate the treatment area's square footage by multiplying the area's length by its width. Check Suspend SC's label for the application rate you'll need to treat your targeted pest. To treat most pests, you can mix up to 1 fluid ounce of product into 1 gallon of water to apply evenly over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Fill your sprayer with half the required amount of water, then use the bottle's squeeze and measure feature to measure the correct amount of product you'll need. Add it in, then add the remaining amount of water. Close and shake the sprayer to ensure an even suspension. Once the solution is fully mixed, you can add additional products like marking dyes or surfactants. Once your solution is mixed, you can apply it outdoors as a broadcast spray, a barrier spray, a spot or crack and crevice application, or as a general surface application. When spraying landscape ornamentals, be sure to coat both the upper and lower leaf surfaces to ensure adequate coverage. When applying indoors, use only as a spot or crack and crevice application. You can apply in and around cabinets, behind and underneath appliances, around doors and windows, and around plumbing or other pest harborage sites. For broadcast spraying, surface spraying, or barrier spraying, use a fan nozzle spray setting to get uniform coverage. For spot and crack and crevice spraying, use a cone setting or pin stream nozzle for precision application. Suspend SC is labeled to be used in and around residential and non-residential buildings, including in commercial kitchens and all types of food or feed handling establishments. Indoors, apply this product as a crack and crevice or spot treatment. Permitted areas of use include, but are not limited to, apartments, food processing plants, hotels, residential homes, kitchens, schools, ships, trucks, and warehouses. Suspend SC is best used during peak pest activity from spring to fall. Outdoors, apply on calm days to avoid wind drift. Do not water or mow your lawn for 24 hours after application. Indoors, conduct your application when the space is unoccupied and will remain undisturbed until the product dries. When applying in food prep areas, make sure all food and utensils are removed or covered prior to application. Once dry, Suspend SC will leave a residual that will continue to treat pests for up to 3 months, depending on weather and pest severity. Treatments may be applied at 21-day intervals or as necessary to maintain adequate control. Suspend SC is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely. When spraying, be sure to occasionally agitate your solution to prevent it from settling. To help avoid over-application in spot and broadcast treatments outdoors, we recommend you use a marking dye like Vision Blue or Vision Pro Max. These products are temporary colorants used to indicate where you've already sprayed. When mixed into your spray solution, your application will leave turf a deep blue color, reminding you where you've sprayed so you know not to apply there again. To ensure the efficacy of your spray application, we recommend you use a surfactant. When mixed with your pesticide solution, it helps the active ingredient spread and stick more easily to applied surfaces, increasing the treated surface area. Finally, for full control of pests like fleas, we recommend you use an insect growth regulator or IGR. IGRs target juvenile pests, preventing them from developing into reproductive adults and busting the pest's life cycle. Suspend SC is a flexible product that controls many pests in many locations.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.